ICSE Mathematics Class 10th, Chapter 18, Exercise 18C, Question number 3. From the data given below, calculate the value of third quartile. ये देखिए मार्क्स आप प्रिंट 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Number of students correspondingly 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16, 10, 9, 6, 4, 1. Now the cumulative frequency 2 as it is, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 16, 46, 46 plus 10, 56, 56 plus 9, 65, 65 plus 6, 71, 71 plus 4, 75, 75 plus 1, 76. So here the number of frequencies, cumulative frequency has been completed. Now the total number of frequencies is 76. So n plus 1 by 4, that will be the 76 plus 1 divided by 4, it will be equal to 77 by 4. And after solving you will get 19.25. So n plus 1 into 3 by 4, that will be equal to 77 into 3 by 4, it will be equal to 57.75. So Q1, you see, the 19.25, that will be in the cumulative frequency 20. This now proceed to upwards, you will get 13. So the quartile 1 will be 31 marks, and quartile 3 for this you have to choose the correct column of cumulative frequency, that is, you see, the 65. So the 17 marks will be your quartile 3. Now come to the question number 4. Find both the quartiles for the following distribution. नंबर 1 में देखिए मार्क्स दिया हुआ है 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Number of students are correspondingly 4, 6, 11, 19, 20, 26, 14. So cumulative frequency 4 as it is, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 11, 21, 21 plus 19, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 26, 86, 86 plus 14, 100. Now n is 100, so n plus 1 is 101, n plus 1 divided by 4, that will be equal to 25.25. n plus 1 multiplied by 3 by 4, it will be equal to 75.75. So the quartile 1 will be in this column, that will be the 60. So quartile 1, because you see 25.25, that comes in here. For quartile 3, 75.75, that will be from this column, that will be you just proceed upward, so quartile 3 is 80. Now the second part of it, size is given, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Frequencies are 2, 5, 8, 9, 6. So cumulative frequency 2, 7, 15, 24, 30. Now n is 30, so n plus 1 is equal to 31. n plus 1 divided by 4, it will be equal to 7.75. n plus 1 into 3 by 4, it will be equal to 31 into 3 by 4. You will get 23.25. So for the quartile 1, you see, quartile 1 के लिए हम will proceed from this, you see, 7.75. So it will be in this column. So proceed upwards. The 6 will be the quartile 1. Now for the quartile 3 or third quartile or upper quartile, it will be the 23.25. So the 23.25 lies in the column where the cumulative frequency is 24. Now proceed upwards. The size, that is 7. So the quartile 3, that is 7. This will be the answer. Now proceed to the question number 5. The size of shoes are 4.5 5, 5.6, 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10,